Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2024. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Bash and this is Nomad Scrambler. Today is the first video of 2024, and with that comes new year, new me, and all that rubbish that goes with it. However, being the 1st of January, I wanted to get a video out and just tell you about my plans for this year, about what I'm doing as my New Year's resolutions, and what I have planned for 2024. So, before we get started, can we just talk about how good is this for the 1st of January 2024? Incredible. I'm only messing with you, this is pre-recorded. It's currently September 5th. And I'm out getting this video sorted because I have some plans for the channel, and like I said in my Christmas Day video, I've taken a step back and I've got a full video about that coming very, very soon. But for now, I just want to talk about the plans. So I guess you could split this into two, personal and the channel. Personally, my biggest thing for this year is to weigh between 75 and 80 kilograms lean muscle. So low body fat, high muscle, that is my plan. And to do that, I'm going to be hitting the gym a lot more than I have in 2023. Even starting 75 hard, which is 2 exercises or 2 40-minute periods of exercise a day, at least one of which outside. And on top of that, drink 3 litres of water, read for 10 minutes a day, and it has to be a non-fiction book. What else? Oh, and stick to a diet, but you can set the diet, which is always mega because there's so much things in some diets that I don't like. I'm not a fan of eggs. Never have been. Hello, Mr. Tractor. So that's my big thing for 2024. Personally, I want to do that. I also want to get out and adventure more. Thank you. I want to see more of the world. I want to see more of the country. I want to go to places like Iceland. I want to go somewhere hot as well if I can. I also want to see more of the UK. I feel like there's so much of it that I've not explored properly. And I have the means to go and do it, whether it's on the bike or in the car and camping. I can do it, so let's get out and let's enjoy what we have on our doorstep. Those are my personal goals. Moving on to the channel and, well, all my social media platforms, I guess. Number one is post consistently. Okay, so I want to be active on every single profile and get at least 52 videos out on YouTube, as well as post 2 to 3 times a week on Instagram and TikTok. Those are the goals for the social media platforms. I want to go away on some big trips as well, so I want to get away and do some moto camping adventures on the bike, and that will include Wales, maybe Devon, maybe Scotland, the Lake District, absolutely everywhere that I can. I want to go around there and then possibly even over into Europe for a couple of days on like a ferry or the Eurotunnel, just so that I get to explore more on the bike and, you know, camp about a bit and just bring some more interesting types of content for you guys. The third thing that I want to achieve this year for the channel, and this is possibly the biggest one for me, I want to get 1,000 followers on every single platform. That's my goal. 1,000 followers on Instagram, 1,000 followers on TikTok, and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, that also means monetization for the channel, which is really good because it means that I can start doing some giveaways and giving away gear that I actually rate personally. So whether it's Forma boots, Riker gloves, Akin Moto gloves, a Premier helmet like this one, and Barstow goggles, I want to give back to the community that is helping me grow. On top of that, if we reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and we're still rocketing up, I have a few more plans for the channel, including getting a second bike, which would be cool. So I want to build a custom bike. That has always been a dream of mine, is to get out and learn some new skills. And mainly I want to create a 250. That is the dream bike at the moment, a 250, what I'm calling Super Moto, or a Mutt Razorback, which I'll throw a picture up right now. They're kind of begging to be turned into a kind of street supermoto, a street bike supermoto, which if we hit 1,000 followers and 1,000 subscribers on every platform, I will do. I will buy the bike, and every bit of money that we make from the YouTube account and any brand deals or anything like that will go into making this custom bike. With that being said, once we've completed the bike, I will make sure that it is at a bike shed show, either 2025 or 2026. Hopefully 2025, because we're going to reach that goal early into next year. And yeah, I'm going to do that by, like I said, staying consistent, being active on Instagram as my main platform for you guys to get involved and to join the conversation. So if you're not following that, go ahead and give it a follow at Nomad Scrambler. But yeah, for now guys, that is everything I want to talk about in this New Year video. So like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.